Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on mobile downloads on Netflix app. First of all, you should go to your Netflix app and of course you should have Netflix account. And after that, you can go and click on the icon on the top right of the screen, the download icon. And as you can see here, you have like the word setup. You have to click on it. And after that, choose how many storage you want to use for downloading movies and TV shows on your device. And you can change to 3 gigabytes, 1 gigabytes, or I don't know how much you want, and it will tell you how long exactly of movies and TV shows you can download with that storage. And after that, click on turn on, and downloads now activated. You can see what you can download from TV shows and things like that, and you can easily start downloading them. I hope that you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next